Okay, I'm just gonna wait for some more people to come in. Just quickly gonna wait for some more people to come into the stream. Hello, hello, check, check, 1 1 2 2 2 2 2. Okay, good evening, everybody. Welcome to a Wednesday evening. Half, just half. How are we all doing, everyone? I hope we're all doing well. This is one of the most fascinating consoles ever to make. No, I'm not talking about the console. What's running on this console is one of the most fascinating things that makes this my favorite console. It runs the Louvre software. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to probably one of the most biggest videos you are ever going to see. This is the Louvre 3DS tour guide, and today we're going to be reviewing said tour guide. There you are, chat. There's your intro you wanted. It's actually here on my desk. Jesus Christ. So, I'm guessing everyone, hello, I'm guessing everyone has gone over from YouTube. Um, did it get, hold on, did it get tweeted? Hold on, did the stream get tweeted? So, I've got an update for you about the Louvre 3DS. I've got some updates coming about this thing today because something has happened to it which is blowing my mind. Um, Still, at the moment, I'm concerned for what I'm about to say. I'm just going to quickly wait for some more people to come in. I switched my battery on. Okay. I charged it up last night. Okay. Give me a minute, chat. I need to go ahead and sort something out that's a bit of a pain. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Okay, let's go ahead and start with the Louvre then. So, for people who haven't seen the stream on Monday, some new developments has happened with the Louvre software, which is what I want to talk about. Number one, I've spoken to the guy about the actual Louvre system, about the terminal thing, and what he has put. What, man? Not only that, I'm going to talk about today. I'm also going to talk about the Louvre update servers because something has happened last night that I'm not kidding is baffling me. Hold on, let me mod Millie as a mod. Cool. Millie, you're our mod. Okay. So this used to run 1.2 yesterday. I'm not sure how this runs 1.3 when I booted it up today. This morning, I don't know whether it's gone back down. It's gone back down. Okay. It's gone back down to 1.1. This morning, that was on 1.3 somehow. So I'm not sure. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on, but I will try and, you know, I will try and help. Huh? Oh, moderator. Thanks, mods. Thanks, mods. Love you, mods. Yeah, so we toured the Louvre software yesterday, which was super fascinating. And I had a lot of questions on it, but mainly today I'm going to do a Q&A session whilst trying to get some bits done, hopefully. Because I've got stuff to get done tomorrow. So I'm thinking about doing a Q&A and chin and chat for like an hour. So we'll have this running in the background, but we're not touring this today. We've already done that. We've already done that, so this should just be over here. Just sort of reminder to the Louvre that we've got one of their consoles on my desk. Genuinely, it's like so cool. Ah, it's in a tripod. Ah, stop. So yeah, the Louvre software. I will read a message as to what the guy has put. Actually, I want to do it from my Mac because I then don't have to bother with signing in shit. Unlike when I do it through the computer, I'm hoping you guys won't be able to see, and you will. Okay, so after the call, the guy basically put down he was happy. Do you want to know the worst part, chat? Guess what he wanted to offer me? Guess what he wants to offer me? Nothing. He genuinely didn't want to offer anything to me. If the guy does watch this channel, mate, I can't accept. So this is the actual Louvre system. Talking about the Louvre, I want to talk about the update servers to the Louvre as well. Um, if you guys are interested, if you head over to Jamie Boy Live, I did a stream yesterday of touring this whole thing, which I am more than happy to show. I think I can, I'm not sure. I don't know how you would, you might have to activate it from the laptop. Ha. Um, what the hell? Yeah. So, did the Louvre software an update last night? Was the second biggest question I can answer. Um, is all I can say. On one hand, yes, the Louvre software had an update. On the other hand, no, it didn't. So, the best way to put it is yes, the Louvre software had an update last night, and nothing has changed except for one thing. I don't know what's happened, but the tracking on this guy is now active. So, I've got a plan, and this is my plan, right? So, in my drawers, I have got this guy. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm either going to do this right or I'm going to do this wrong. It's either we do it right or we go home. So, with that knowledge in mind, there is, if I pull my Surface Pro out, there is some software for the Pi, which we're going to run. Move alongside to over there. Thank you. Tell you what, show the camera a bit. We'll just flop down. So my idea is simple, yet I am talking to someone. It sounds like it would work fine. So I'm thinking about doing something called geospoofing. So I'm going to download. I'm going to download this to the Pi, and then we're going to log into the Pi. Ladies and gentlemen, this is getting into a Raspberry Pi video. I hope you're all happy. Because I'm not. This is going to be torture for me. And you want to know what I've also just realised? I haven't got a display upstairs. This is my literal only display, and I'm using it for like chat. It's fine because I've got an idea. I'm going to do light 64-bit. I'm going to run out of the Ethernet port, and then what I'm going to do is yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. It's easier for me to do that. Okay. So, come on. God, I bloody hate Windows 11. Right, I'm going to show you the Raspberry Pi 3B. This is the genuine Raspberry Pi. Nice one as well. It just costs an absolute fortune to buy. I probably spent like 20, 30 bucks on this. It's like a proper, I think it's warped. Damn, it's warped. Yeah, this is my little pie. I don't like touching it without the case on. This is the pie. Now my idea is simple. I'm gonna run Raspberry Pi Lite, go into the GUI of this, and because I've already got my power supply, I can just plug it straight into the desk, get that going, get that flashing, and yeah, very interesting. So I'm going to use the power from my battery bank. I'm going to plug it in. I might even go to network, to be honest. Right, set 3, light 64. Okay, that's not like that. Shut up. And this is the part now where you can't see. Okay, password in. This is why you guys can't see, because I'm putting passwords and stuff. Okay. Finish the play. Okay, so I'm just going to literally plug the pie in, get that going. While that's going, I'm going to quickly read off subs. Thanks to everyone who's been subscribing. I mean, this studio doesn't have very good lighting either, so I do apologise. No, typically not, no. So, I want to speak about this quite carefully. That's the right word. I don't know what is anymore. I'm so fucked up. Um, right, so I'm just going to quickly have a look because I just need to get this quickly done on our network. Thanks everyone who's joined. You're currently about to watch one of the worst decisions in my life, which is called, we're hoping to see if the Louvre actually bypasses everything. This is going to be a bad idea. What am I using? It's a Raspberry Pi 3b. Um, it's just one you can buy off the shelf. It's not anything special. If it was, I'd be petrified. So what's my idea? It's called geospoofing. That is literally what I'm calling it, geospoofing. Uh, Cool. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead, move it. Now I'm going to use some software which everyone hates, which is called Putty. Enjoy Putty. While we do that, I've got my battery bank that we're going to get the Raspberry Pi 3B plugged into, get it powered up. If I actually removed it from my laptop, that is. And the power saver just came back on, and I don't have an SD card. Oh, what the frick? Is it a magnet? Don't magnets Pi. Oh my god. Yep, ejected. Ejected is a good word for it. Yeah. Right, plug power in. Run Putty. So, this will be my network geo crapper logger thing. Effectively, I'm about to kill my network doing this. So, everything is going to think it's in Paris, France. Which is going to be a bit interesting because I only want the... Actually, can I do it straight from the 3DS? That'll save me a lot of work if I just change location. Let me have a look because it would save me about a day's worth of troubleshooting. Okay. Yes, I did just literally do this. Screw you. So, Putty. Uh, I think hopefully that works. I don't know yet. No. So we're screwed, chat. I can't access the Pi at home because I don't have the... Because I don't have the actual monitor on hand, and I can't access the Pi for geospoofing. Someone said you can geospoof through you can't? Can you really geospoof through a 3DS? You can't. You can't geospoof through a 3DS. Yeah, connection terminated. Um, Whoa, okay. Was that on stream? I just leaked the whole flipping connection thing. I just leaked everything in one go. Okay. I don't think you can geospoof, can you? I know. I have it on my Mac, but don't have it on this. Right, I'm about to access my router, so I'm not going to show for obvious reasons. Even if I am a bit of a scumbag nowadays and I don't show everything off, it's for security reasons. Okay. So, main. Oh, I literally have the password, but not on me. Like, I actually have the password. It's not on me though. It's. Hold on, I might have a photo. Hold on. I am here. This is live. I am off screen because I'm dealing with password problems. Right. Okay. I am pretty sure I am in my router. Yup. Okay, so that'll be it. 9-6. Okay. I didn't get it right then. Open the port. Set. Cool. Okay, we're now in putty. So I'm now remoted into the Pi. So I can now start. Okay. So okay. First off, we're gonna upgrade the Pi to standard craps. Sudo upgrade. So if you're wondering what we're doing, for people who are coming in, we are going to geospoof this 3DS to think it's in the Louvre. And the reason why I'm doing this, I've been told the servers are still active for the Louvre for the 3DS system. So I don't see what's wrong with geospoofing my network to think that I am actually in Paris, France, in the Louvre. Okay, this might be the craziest thing ever, but it might actually genuinely work. So I'm willing to try anything. But that's gonna be an issue. Okay. Right. I'm gonna plug my laptop in because my laptop is dying. literally as we speak. Cool. It's the Surface Go. Not the Surface Pro. I have a Surface Pro, but it's a bit crap, so we're using the Surface Go. Cool. So, see the Pi flashing away. I'm going to install OpenVPN because okay. Yes, it's scary hackery code. Enjoy. So what I'm going to do for now, I have to shut down the 3DS. I'm going to have to do this because I now know it's IP, so there's no need of having this on now. We already know everything that we need. So while that upgrades chat, I will do a quick Q&A. So if you want to ask me anything, knock yourself out, and I will try and answer the best I can. How long did it take you to get to the MNRC? Good question, actually. That's more of something I'm not going to talk about on this channel at the moment because I need to. I love that. I love how people think I'm already part of the MRC. No, not anymore. I used to be. People think I still used to work for a YouTube channel that I don't support anymore. That was mad. That was mad. Okay. So it's doing the boot update thing, so uh leave that for a few minutes. It won't be a long one today because I've got to go out tomorrow morning at like 6 a.m. So I've got to get up really early. Where am I going? Good question, actually. You guys might have heard of the boat thing. Basically, I'm going there. So thank you for giving me the correct answer. Cool. We're now inside of Raspberry config. I think we need to go to system. Oh God. No. Not using the am I? In God's sake. Enhance network proxy. Ooh. Yeah, I thought it was. Might just say France. Okay. So the local language I'd keep. All languages. Okay, then Question dash y. Okay, cool. Okay. For everyone who's just joining into the coding stream, yes, this is actual code. Um, so cool. So, oh god, here we go. Wonder how long this will take. Hmm? ECT dhcpcd.config. Hmm? Sudo nano ECT dhc. Welcome to coding. Okay. Right, now I'm in. Cool. Holy. I'm not even in. Interface. W. W. LAN 0. No, static IP address. Okay. So, this is now where it gets a bit hacky. Right. Do you want to know the worst part? It would probably be easier if I just net remoted. Oh, for pants sake. Okay. Sudo. Okay, he's thinking about it. The pie's hot, bro. The pie's really hot. Okay. Create a network from scratch, boys. Create a network from scratch. Oh. Oh. No, it's failed. Oh, it's failed. Frig. I've just had a plan that won't involve. Yeah, you can't see my phone call. I was a bit worried for a second. I was like, oh my god, can you see my phone? Damn! Damn! That went up. Frick me, bro. I remember that route was £18. I was using everything. Okay, so sudo shutdown. I've got an idea. I've got an idea. I've got an idea. I've got an idea. Got an idea. Got an idea. Right. I'm going to do something absolutely bonkers now. I'm going to pull another router from my bag, right? I'm going to connect it Wi-Fi into to the pi, hopefully this works. But then again, because I know everything, they probably won't do it. Holy crap. I found the router power. Okay. So, no. So, putty crashed. Putty crashed. Another one added to the bag. Fortunately, my idea turns to this guy. This is what's called an EMC router. I'm going to have to change the ID of this on my windowsill to fit the Louvre theme. Okay. Right. Cool. No. What are you doing, iCloud? Holy shit. What the fuck, iCloud? That's my internet. I swear to shit, bro. Oh my god, what's the password? Is it that? I actually don't know the password. I might have to literally. I might have to connect straight up because I don't know the password to this router. Piss off. Do you know what? I just realised I'm putting in a password to a router. Then again, it gets changed anyway. Okay. I'm going to do something called plug an Ethernet cable into it. Because I'm not going to rely on plugging a bloody anything into it. There's no way I'm putting password in that because I don't know. It could be anything, that password, and also I do use this router. Right, so I've got me USB-C dongle, which is, it doesn't need to be 10 gig, but unfortunately it's the only one I've got that is 10 gig. Well, it's the only one I've got which is 10 gig. Plug that into the router, and let's just see what it shows up. We should see down on network that it's connected enough where I can get into. Why do I need to get help? I don't need help. No! 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 Edge, this is the wrong time, bro. This is the wrong time, Edge. Fuck me, bro. Okay. Okay. So, I'm going to set this up as a wireless router. Set up. Oh, shit. I need it, but I need. Does that need a cable in? Oh crap, I think it does. Okay, I think what's happened is, chat, I need a cable to go to the router so that the... Alright, I'm going to plug my router into my other router. Give me a second. Now I know they want a fucking argument. Now I know they want an argument. Also, this past week has been a nightmare with the company, with the service provider, should I say. It's been an effing joke. Right, I've got my, you piece of crap. I've got my internet routing cable to my router, so hopefully I can shut the fuck up and connect. Cool. So that's wireless router. Set that as that. Texting my ISP. It no. Right. Move monitor. Set that as test 1 2 3 4. More advanced because we need to say 40. So auto and auto. Cool. So now I need to check. Okay. Wireshark. Okay. So I'm gonna download Wireshark, which means I don't need the scary Pi anymore because I'm not gonna need it. So my idea is the Surface Pro is connected via the Ethernet, which goes to my router. Now my router has got 6 gig going into it. So inside of my office, I've got this guy that's going to be running my network monitor. So you guys see my network monitor, which will monitor traffic coming from this guy. So this guy will be able to see the Louvre software. So when you boot it up, click on home, we'll be able to see on here what exactly it's contacting. Oh boy. I do prefer Firefox for this, but it's been a bit of a pain in the arse, as always. So, unfortunately, I'm not going to be showing the Louvre on this because the Louvre is just going to end up being a pain in the arse. Has that just quit on me? Seriously? There is too many switches in this room. Yeah, so the router's connected to our internet. So I need to download all of this crap so that I can access the thing through Wiredom. So, I want to boot this up. The idea is this is going to have nothing on it. So, I'm just going to run the software as it is. For the 3DS, I'm going to quickly set this up. So, give me a minute. So, I'm looking for, what should I say, Louvre monitor, test. This is going to be really slow though. Like, it's only 100 gig root. I actually did it. Jesus. Right. Louvre monitor is now connected. Genuinely, we have the Louvre monitor now. So we should be able to see some promising. So when I did connection test, it immediately connected and immediately connected to the internet. I mean, okay, it is literally up there on my windowsill, but cool. Well, actually, quickly, let's disable that. Let's disable this as well. Cool. So I have now disabled the two networks. The only thing on it is connection 3 for the Louvre monitor. So the Louvre is the only thing that can connect. I don't care. Wireshark. Cool. So Wireshark is now open. Okay. Wireshark. Well, it's typical because this thing doesn't have Wi-Fi. Right. Oh, shit. Ethernet. Oh, oh. Display filters. Oh my god. Okay, there's so much going on. I need a filter, definitely a filter. Okay. Right. There. Okay. hopefully, when I now go to Louvre, we can actually see the Louvre pinging home to 3DS. Okay, so let's go here. Let's go to a museum. Let's see. I want to see all of them. Oh, no, because it doesn't have Wi-Fi. Oh, you piece of crap. Ethernet, so start capturing. Cool. Try again. So, oh, we're getting some all application data. Application. Oh, oh, we're getting some stuff. We're getting some stuff. Application. Oh, membership report. Whoa. Okay, actually, stop for a sec. Stop. That is okay. I'm going to try and show you this. So, apply as a filter. I'm gonna save Louvre. Okay. This is all Windows 11 BS. I don't want. It's all Windows 11 crap. Hold on. Okay. Try this again. So, go. All TCP. Another application data. See all the binary it's writing. It's literally encrypted. All. So it was just application data, whereas last time we actually got yeah, the membership report. Join group. This is mad. Look, all of this has came from the Louvre 3DS that we've just gone ahead and ran. So I'm going to explain the setup quite quickly. I have got a TP-Link router which I have named for the Louvre test. I am literally running the Louvre museum. I'm changing home to museum mode and I'm tracking on my Surface Go. Look, you have a look at this, right? It might actually need a bit more down there. Can actually get... Okay. Focus, please. Uh, I think they might actually need to go. Oh, it's a bit. Hold on. Okay. Let's actually shut this blind because otherwise I'm pissing everyone off the park. Okay, cool. Now put a bit more out. Okay, so you can actually see it's talking a lot of shit. Like, oh my god, I wish it would focus. Here, I recorded my phone. I recorded my phone. Okay, so I have got over here. Whoa, okay. Okay, that's speaking. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop, 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 stop. What the hell? Protected payload. I did nothing. I did nothing. You what? Protected payload, join group. TCP, keep alive. What the okay. Oh, this is mad. So, from what it looks like with this, oh shit, there's even more. Fuck me. So, what it looks like from this, they're using for servers 224.0.0.22 for 224.0.0.251 when it starts. So let me show you this. So, okay, so I'm about to click on the museum mode. Okay, as it does that, when you have a look at the Surfer Pro, you'll start to see it's checking for your museums. And as you can see, even though it's failed, there's some stuff. And it's now asking the 3DS. Well, the 3DS is now asking the server to join. Okay, right. This is what is absolutely mental to me. We've just found out a host name. We've literally just got a host name from this. So, the host name is desktop-vd35503, which looks like to be a workstation server and Windows NT. So this could be Windows Server 2012 or 2014. And it looks like it's asking to join the exact same group. And it's asking to get like 4 resources. Holy crap. So yeah, it's actually, we know the desktop. It's in plain text as well. And it looks like it's having, yeah, so the actual protocol for this, the actual IP was 192.168.0.100, which is the server, this 3DS software, the Louvre software, connected to the server using that IP. That is mad, bro. That is insane. It's still asking for data. TCP, are you alive? Membership report. I really want to see what happens if I put that on a server. Dude, this is crazy. Holy shit. It's literally capturing. Like, it's in plain text. So all from Ethernet, we know, look, it's still just saying join group, join group. So, okay, everything from this software, this is connected straight to my TP-Link router, right? The router on my windowsill is connected as the Wi-Fi network. So to show you the network, come on, load. Yeah. So as you see on the network, you'll see um, you'll see a network called Louvre Monitor, which is what I've just set up on my phone. It's called the Louvre Monitor. And what I've done is I've used the Shark, which is actually called Wireshark, and I'm pulling all the information. So when I hit change monitor to museum, so look, set this guide to museum mode. In this mode, no sound will come out of the speakers. Please use the headphones while in the museum. Some rooms in the museum may be closed depending on the day or the time you will visit. While in museum mode, this software keeps track of closed rooms in real time. To facilitate this, please make sure your Nintendo 3DS time settings matches the local time in Paris. Okay, I'm gonna actually do that quickly. I'm gonna quickly do that 1 second. Because I'm in UK time. So let me relaunch and let's just see whether that stops. What's the time in Paris? Oh, so it's already set as 1937. That's weird. That's strange, actually. I think the touchscreen's there. Okay. Okay, so I have set the time now to Paris, France. It's still asking to join. Membership report. Join group 224. I'm actually going to connect to that. Hold on. So, wait, what? Whoa. Holy sh. Whoa, okay. Um, I don't know what IP this has got. Hold on. Let me have a look to what IP this has got quickly. Because I need to have a look at what IP this has got. Probably incorrect. Cool. So, wireless. Can I see? Advanced broadband control. Why can't I see who's connected? Like, I want to see what's the IP, what's connected. Internet control. Control, save. Okay, so that's its network then. So we found its network that it needs. So put that in there. Anything that comes from this now is the 3DS. So I'm hoping to see some packet and stuff come out from the 3DS. I know I said it's supposed to be a 30-minute stream, and now it's nearly a 1 hour and 30 minutes. That's weird. That's really strange, actually. That's really weird. I haven't noticed that. Right, let's try and see about this monitor plugin. Let's see what comes up. Holy shit, I'm getting so much. The problem is I can't see. Right. There is so much going on. Right. Down the top. This is IP, which is saying help RPM. Okay, this has actually came from the Nintendo 3DS. The problem is I can't see servers because right. Okay. The thing that was more concerning was that this was pinging to an actual PC. Like, it was actually going to a PC, which was super shocking. Okay, I'm still getting this. Unverified. That's the Louvre. Okay, actual Louvre. Because it's trying to go to Windows. Okay, let's go zoom out. Right, let me have a look at. So, Okay, try again. One last time. I think this is more of the beacon stuff because it seems to be checking on IPs that are membership join. So it's pinged 3 beacons, MCAST. But it hasn't pinged that server yet. Wait, server 18. CloudFront 18. So 63605 is the server from the Louvre. It literally has server on it. That's really interesting because the Louvre doesn't have. I didn't think the Louvre server contacted this many, but the fact that we knew the desktop and it wasn't even my desktop, like, I'm being honest, I'm running a Mac. Yeah, see, look, it's pinged it again. It's pinged it again. Transmission, so TCP is what it uses. Whoa, holy crap. That's sending payloads. Protected payload. That's actually sending files. It's gibberish. It's actually sending protected payload files. So, from what I'm gathering from this, it's sending files to the server that the server has to respond back. See, look, server down here would have to respond back. So the server is 192.168.0.100 for their server. Ignore unknown record. See, look, it pings the 3 different resources membership report, which must mean that's the beacons at the 3DS. Yeah, because it keeps sending this application data. Every few seconds it's coming up, and then it gets a HTTPC error. A1672.s.dscr.akmai.net. I'm actually going to type that in. Hope I'm not going to get hacked. I'm going to type that in. Dot dscr dot akmai.net. I reckon that's a server. A, A. Ooh, I actually got a invalid reply, an invalid URL, and it's taken me to a reference. I definitely reckon that was something to do with the 3DS. Because it seems to be pinging that. And it literally says Wi-Fi on it. Destination address. TP link. Destination TP link. No way they were using TP link. I reckon they were using. Oh, that's different one. Oh. Okay, so the AKM, the AKA MIA is the CDN, or the Akami. Akami is used for the eShop, system updates, game updates, certificate checks, and network handshakes. Right. I would try and package also, but I have no clue how to package this much data. Oh my god, it's even found. That's embarrassing. It's found the logs from. Alright, I'm gonna get ready. I'll restart. Do that. ARPA? What's ARPA? What is ARPA? ARPA keeps showing up. ARPA. Right, stop that. What is fucking ARPA? Ethernet. Capture. What the bloody hell is ARPA? ARPA? Merge. I am the connected. Hold on. Oh, I can't connected. Oh, there's new backdraft. What the fuck is ARPA? I'm so confused what ARPA is. What the bloody hell is ARPA? Right, I'm looking for the Louvre. There is Louvre backdraft. Double check. Okay. I wonder what ARPA is. Because ARPA is definitely something to do with Louvre. Because it showed up on the TCA like 9 times. What's ARPA? So ARPA, PTR ARPA. So ARPA is Hey Router, who miles? So no, it asks for the membership, yeah. Okay, so it's not Louvre related. I think I'm going to make a video on this because this is mad how that's not. Okay, it wants me to put the pie back on. It genuinely wants me to put the pie back on. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to get messy again with the Raspberry Pi 3B. Yeah, I guess. So effectively, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a bit messier than I wanted to. Over here is the Raspberry Pi 3B back again. I'm gonna plug my. Oh, I've just smashed the camera. Oh, I've just hit it. Hold on, chat. 1 second. Let me get you back. Right, that in there. Have a look at chat. Just stop touching the freaking thing. Oh my god. Okay. First thing that I'm gonna do is take that off because that's a piece of crap. That hasn't cost anything. Cool. I'm not going to use that one now because that won't work. I need Edge to access the root tool to access, cool, the ID. So, I'm going to advanced to security, audio, network, um, I hate the way this doesn't fucking tell you what's on where. Like, why you can't see where everything is beyond me. See, I don't know what that's on now. Do you know what I mean? I can't see anything, it won't tell me. So that's on land 2. But it won't tell me land 2. With. Wow, so France is actually an hour ahead. Cool. It still won't tell me the freaking thing to log in. Which is not annoying at all. Okay. The problem is the pi. See whether it's still stuck on the old one or the new one. It's not showing up in DHCP at all. Maybe it was there, I don't know. No. Ah, I got it. It just came online now. Cool. Right. Now I can go ahead and log in to the Pi, accept, log in as me. And we're in. Cool. Okay. Now we are in, I can start doing what I do best. Okay. So let's see if this will now work because it's over internet. Thank you for the subscription. I really appreciate it. Thank you, man. Thank you. It's dropping temp in here, bro. My radiator's on and it's dropping like mad. So, sorry for a second, chat. I'm going to have to mute you. I'm freezing. Temperature in my room has really dropped. Activation failed. Took too long talking. One of the days I'm going to crack exactly what's going on with the Louvre software. You watch. One of the days I'm definitely going to crack it. You watch. Like it's imminent. Okay. Okay. So now let's see. Connection show. Loop back. Cool. Now can we make the Wi-Fi? See if we can make it. While we're doing that, I'm gonna close the Louvre. So you've joined me back here again with ChatGPT, a Raspberry Pi 3B, this, and a Surface Go. No. Okay. Okay. Fine. Wi-Fi dot scan and MAC address equals 9. Connection. Wi-Fi dot OSA equals 2. X. Yes. Cool. Sudo reboot. Okay. Now I need to relaunch Putty. I'm going to have to save this IP, I think. Well, that was a quick reload, I think. Oh, okay. That's no. Try hotspot command again. I know how to do it in actual, like, Raspberry OS because there's a thing you can do. Um, alright. Let me delete the loop back. Cool. Clear. Let's go ahead. Make the new one. I'm not much of a coder, but if I have to code for projects, I will. Does it make it though? That's it. So it makes it, but it doesn't authenticate, which is stupid because, well, why would it not authenticate? I don't know. I don't know. The fuck? Uh, yeah, it's really at my. This is why I have someone else do the coding for me, off stream, because there is no way I can code on stream. It's a 2-hour stream. I'm still coding. Okay, sudo IP link set wlan 0. Okay, IP link. It's still down. It's still down. It might have just been a Pi corruption. Might have just corrupted the Pi, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god. What I'm going to have to do. Text editor. It's annoying that I can't stick. Do it, why not? Do. Can not do it now. Seriously? Share. Save files. Save. Access. I'm so used to putting my phone on the desk, I can't do it when I'm streaming. Is it text? It is text. Wow. Okay. Right. I'm gonna read. I think the pie is corrupted, ladies and gentlemen. We might have to. I don't know. Do we have to? Yeah, actually, should have used about time. And then I'm charged. So it has this. Oh my god. It's gonna end up being a coding stream. Okay. I know what I'm gonna do. Chat, I'm going to end it here because I'm not coding on stream. It's just gonna take freaking hours. I will update you tomorrow on a quick video from my phone about the outcome of this stream. I reckon I can get this at least saying some stuff. What we do know is the fact that it is communicating to a server. The update is still on, and we know what the actual thing is. Cool. I'm gonna end it all here, boys. Before I do that, though, I'm going to go ahead, bring my wall lights up here so you guys can see. Thank you guys so much for joining into this this meant to be a little stream. It's meant to only be a 30-minute stream. It's ending up being a 2-hour, 8-minute stream. And I'm still, I mean, half of the stream was coding in Raspberry, which is interesting because I'm not a big coder at all. Thanks, Bashbank, for your help. Yeah, so if you did enjoy this video, guys, and you do want to see more videos or more streams from the Louvre 3DS, go ahead and give it a like, as that will really be appreciated. Thank you to everyone who has been joining me the past few streams. I really have appreciated it. It's definitely strange having this issue because I'm not sure how many updates this is going to do. As I said, it's basically stuck. What it needs is a new image. SD card. Thank you guys so much for joining the stream. I really hope you have appreciated it. If you want to see how we've modded the ADM system, hopefully this new louvre antenna thing I'm getting Friday will work. I won't be streaming on Friday because I'll be streaming on Twitch. No, Friday is my off day. Saturday I'm streaming on Twitch. Sunday I don't stream. Monday and Wednesday might be this official channel's stream. I don't know, I'll work it out. I think it might end up being Mondays and Wednesdays, which might be quite cool. The hinge on this needs repairing. Like the hinge sucks. It's got a knackered hinge to it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining this stream. I really hope you have appreciated it. If you do want to see more videos like this, then hit the like button and subscribe and whatever else. Go join me on Patreon as well. You will get some extra exclusives coming from this channel. I'll be posting some videos on here, and all the dinguses will be here, obviously. And I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.